Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable speedometer in Google Maps. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your device. Tap on your profile from the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option. Go to the navigation settings. Here, scroll down and find the show speedometer option. Once you find it, simply tap on the toggle switch right beside it and turn it on. And this is how you can enable speedometer in Google Maps. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.